Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on how to make money online through social media management. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some tips and strategies for starting your own social media management business and making money online. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step in starting a social media management business is to identify your niche. This means deciding on the types of businesses or individuals you want to work with, and the social media platforms you will specialize in. For example, you might decide to work with small businesses in your local area and specialize in Instagram and Facebook. This will help you to focus your marketing efforts and stand out from other social media managers. Step 2. Build your skills. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to build your skills. This means learning everything you can about social media management, including how to create engaging content, how to run successful ad campaigns, and how to analyze your results. You can do this by taking online courses, reading books and blogs, and practicing your skills on your own social media profiles. Step 3. Set up your business. Now that you've built your skills, it's time to set up your business. This means registering your business, creating a website and social media profiles, and setting your prices. You should also create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills and attract potential clients. Step 4. Find clients. Once you've set up your business, it's time to find clients. You can do this by networking with other businesses and individuals in your niche, reaching out to potential clients directly, and promoting your services through social media and advertising. Step 5. Deliver high-quality work. Finally, it's important to deliver high-quality work to your clients. This means creating engaging content, managing their social media accounts effectively, and providing regular reports on your results. By doing this, you'll build a strong reputation as a social media manager and attract more clients in the future. Conclusion. And there you have it, our tips and strategies for making money online through social media management. By identifying your niche, building your skills, setting up your business, finding clients, and delivering high-quality work, you can start your own successful social media management business and make money online. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.